Hi, in front of me is Oppo A54 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this Oppo. Firstly, open settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose app management, click on app cloner over here and pick one of the available ones by clicking on the chosen one. Then click on the switcher next to create app clone. And tap on rename app clone over here. Now you can rename your cloned app wherever you want to, and when you're done, click at the top right corner of this rename app clone pop-up. When you're done, all you need to do is go back, and as you can see, my Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!